Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary with a quick tutorial for you for the 2026 Hyundai Palisade. If you're curious about where your owner's manual is, I'm going to show you. We're going to go all the way over here and you can see online manual. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that area, then I'm going to scan the QR code with my phone. We're going to open that and you can see that everything comes up right here on the phone. So depending on what you need to go into, you can find all of that information here. You even have videos. Now, I can't get these videos to play for some reason, but we do have those videos available, but it's not playing for me right now. Not sure why that is, but just to show you what is here and give you an idea, that's going to be the situation. We can get out of that and go wherever we need to, depending on what we need to know about. Pretty simple to deal with, but I'm curious to know, would you rather have a physical owner's manual as opposed to this online version? I hope that helps to answer somebody's question as far as the driver's manual goes. Tell me down in the comments section if there is another tutorial you want to see on the Hyundai Palisade or any other model out there, and I'll try to make that for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.